Hey guys, I got an unboxing for you. It's the Seinfeld complete series collection and it's in the fridge. It's from play.com. Com is the fridge and magnets is an exclusive, but it went down to the normal price of £99, so I decided to go for the fridge because it's special. I didn't realise it'd be this big. It looks so cool. It's still sealed at the moment. Look at this. This has to be one of the best boxes. Well, I haven't looked inside yet, but it looks sweet. So I'm going to attempt to open it now with these nail scissors. So let me just adjust the camera. This thing's pretty damn big. I'm going to start unsealing it now. I don't want to scratch it because I've done it in the past. The Buffy box set. Ruin that. Well, one part of it. I don't want to do that again. Okay. Can't wait to look inside this thing. The coffee table book looks real cool. This is 33 discs, I believe. 33. 9 seasons. I've only seen up to season 3 of Seinfeld. I got addicted quite recently, actually. It's so good. Okay, I'm taking the back cardboard bit off now. I always keep those bits. And here we have the fridge itself, or the fridge box. It's just plastic. It's, you know, that's kind of magnetic, I think. And play.com shipped this within 2 days, which is really good for them. So I'm going to open it now. Oh, cool, look at that. It's pretty cool. And then this side, it's the frozen section. Got vodka and ice cream down there. And these are the magnets, which go on the front of the fridge. And I'll get to those later. And here we have the actual complete series. So let's get into that. Okay, now here's what you'd get if you bought the series without the fridge packaging. This thing looks pretty sweet, so I'm going to take the cardboard bit off again. This feels amazing. It's like a rubbery texture. Can't explain it really. And then you got the cast, so it's the complete series. It's really elegant. And here we got the raised Seinfeld logo, and the back is the cast taking a bow for the last season. And here is the thing, and it's got season 1 to 5 in like a little block, seasons 6 to 9 in a block, and I believe this is the book, so I'm going to attempt to get this out now. Okay, here is seasons 1 to 5. Again, the rubbery texture. It's really cute, look at that. Okay, so let's open this up. See what's inside. Here we got Jerry and Elaine, and we got 2 quotes from them, which I'm not gonna say, and George. George is hilarious. And here we are. We've got season 1, season 2, season 3. I'm confused. Oh, that's... Don't listen to me. Season 3. Season 3. So season 3, I believe. Kramer. Okay, that's season 1 to 3. And here we have season 4, which I have not seen yet. Kramer, of course. Season 4, and cool discs. This is exactly the same as the Region 1 release, I believe, if you were wondering. And there. So that's pretty cool. I quite like that book packaging. It's really easy to get to rather than, you know, folding out 100 discs or, well, 33 discs, whatever. Okay, so that's season 1 to 5. Here we have 6 to 9. Same picture, I think, yeah. It's really simple, but classy packaging for the discs. Okay, season 6, season 7, season 8, and I'm flipping 2 at a time here. Season 9, the update where I've seen everything before, and here is the book. I love this packaging, it's so cool. Let's get the book out. And again, this is the same texture, the rubbery sort of texture, it's really nice. And the Seinfeld logo. Oh, if I can get it out. Everything. We got a list of special features here. This thing's got pretty cool special features from what I can see. It's got audio commentaries, deleted scene, notes, just... Oh, there's more. Cool. And this... Episodes are listed in order on discs, not air date. Wow, this is a huge list of episodes here. Look at this. It's crazy. So many. And of course, wow, this book's really good. Well, I've only seen that page. It looks really cool, really colourful. Set. Forward by Jerry. Cool, some letters. Jerry sort of helped with the special features and everything, and this whole box set himself. And you can really tell by the effort. Look at this. This is amazing. The Friends book that you get in the complete Friends set is really good, but it's nowhere near as thick as this. This looks amazing. Look at this. God, you'd be reading this longer than you'd be watching the series. This is amazing. I love it. Oh! What's that? Bonus disc I didn't know about, I guess. Bonus disc, the Seinfeld round table. Cool. Is that the reunion thing? That's very cool. I didn't know that was in the book. God. Okay, I thought these magnets would go on the fridge. Am I the only stupid person that thought that? They don't go on the fridge. I'm not too bothered about it, but if I thought they wouldn't go on the fridge, I would have just kept them in there. So, I guess they're for your normal fridge. I'll probably just keep them in the box set in that case. But it looks pretty cool. And in case you're wondering, okay, so it opens like that, obviously, but it also, the top opens like that, especially one-handed. Plop, like that. And then, bye-bye. And that's the box. I don't know where I'm going to put this now. But yeah, that was just a quick unboxing of the Seinfeld box set, as I hadn't opened it and thought it'd be cool to show, because I know this is a popular box set, but I think people are probably wondering whether to spend £100. In my opinion,